food lovers, I'm Tommy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make a tiramisu. Tiramisu is my favorite dessert and I'm gonna show you how to make an authentic way. Traditionally, tiramisu is made with espresso, with coffee liqueur, mascarpone mixture, cocoa powder and ladyfingers. In this video I'm not gonna use a commercial ladyfingers, I'm gonna make it my own. For this recipe we're gonna need, for ladyfingers, 6 whole eggs, 200 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 300 grams of all-purpose flour. For the coffee mixture we're gonna use Dolce Gusto Espresso and the coffee liqueur. For the mascarpone cream we're gonna need 3 whole eggs, 120 grams of sugar, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, 300 milliliters of whipping cream. First, we need to make the ladyfingers. Okay, let's get started. In a small pot, put a little bit water, then bring it to a simmer over medium-high heat. Then in a bowl, you're gonna combine 6 whole eggs and 200 grams of granulated sugar. Place the bowl on top of the pot and make sure that your bowl doesn't touch the water. Now continuously whisk the egg and the sugar until the sugar dissolved and the mixture goes doubles inside. This should take less than 5 minutes. Now transfer the egg mixture into the bowl of a stand mixer and beat it up on high speed for 10 minutes. At the last minute, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. This is actually what it should look like. Then remove the bowl from the stand mixer and add 300 grams of all-purpose flour. Now mix carefully by folding. Make sure that you do not overbeat it. Now transfer it to a piping bag and make your ladyfingers on a baking pan. Make them about 12 centimeters long and leave 3 centimeters separation between each ladyfinger. You will make about 60 ladyfingers with this whole mixture. So right before they go to the oven, dust them with powdered sugar, then put them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Remove them immediately from the pan because they may stick to the baking paper. Let them cool to room temperature. You can use them currently or within a month. Let's make the coffee mixture. Actually, you need to make 500 milliliters of espresso or strong coffee. In this case, I am making espresso. Transfer the coffee to a bowl, then add 50 ml of coffee liqueur or any liqueur you want. Mix it up and let it cool before you use it. Now let's make the tiramisu cream. First, in a medium-sized bowl, I'm gonna crack 3 eggs and separate the yolks into a bowl of a stand mixer. Then add 60 grams of granulated sugar to the yolks and mix it for about 5 minutes. After that, add 500 grams of mascarpone cheese and mix it for another 5 minutes. Transfer the egg and mascarpone mixture to another bowl, then again in your stand mixer bowl add 300 ml of whipping cream and mix it until it's super hard. Then add it to the mascarpone mixture and slowly fold together until incorporated. So again, in the bowl of your stand mixer, add 3 egg whites and mix them on a high speed. Make sure that your bowl was clean and dry, that's very important. Now let's measure 60 grams of granulated sugar and slowly add it to the egg whites. Let's combine everything together by folding, and that's it, the tiramisu cream is ready. Now let's make the tiramisu. Quickly dip your ladyfingers in the coffee mixture and line them up into the pan, which is 35 by 20 centimeters. Cover the whole bottom of the pan, then add half of your tiramisu cream. Then add another layer of ladyfingers and then add the rest of your tiramisu cream and spread it out nicely. stage, sprinkle nicely with cocoa powder on top, then carefully cover the pan with plastic wrap. Okay, my authentic tiramisu is ready. Now let's put it into the fridge overnight. Hey guys, I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button, and don't forget, good food is good mood.